Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually going to be finally fitting the exhaust manifold that I couldn't get out because the bolt ended up snapping on the head. My father-in-law actually went ahead and welded a nut onto the bolt, and that worked like a charm. So I just went ahead and bought the exact same size bolts but in a stainless Allen head. I've got the original washers, and as you can see, the old gasket, I think that was definitely the problem with the blowing exhaust. So I'm going to go ahead, fit that gasket and start putting everything back together on the Audi TT. So after a bit of a dilemma, because I dropped the gasket and it fell all the way down, so I had to jack the car up and crawl under and get it. The manifold is now fitted with 3 new bolts, nice and shiny and nice and tight. So I'm just going to go ahead, put all the charge pipe back on, plumb everything back in, and we're all done. So I'm just going to start with silicone pipe that slots onto the turbo. Pop that on tight. I'm not actually going to do it up until I've fitted the charge pipe. So that's the gasket all fitted. I've went ahead, fitted all the charge pipes for the intercooler. I'm just gonna pop the terminal back on the battery and we'll see if it starts first. See if it starts and then check for any blows in the exhaust. Let's have a look. First time. I think it's fixed. Happy days, there's no blowing. So now it's time to shut the car off. So now the blowing stopped, I think it's time to give the car a quick service, and yeah, I'm pretty sure it's ready for his MOT. So is the next day now. I managed to get the car towed back straight after giving it a service and doing the gasket on the exhaust manifold. And I just want to show you the new style of wheels that I've got. It's not to everyone's taste, I know, but I actually think they really suit the car. So I went for some XXRs. I do quite like them. They do need a bit of a refurb because this one's not too bad, but there's two other wheels that have been curved a little bit. So on the next video I'm actually going to be spraying them up, but for now I think that's a good modification for the Audi TT. I'm not going to go too wild with the car because I might even sell it just yet, but yeah, hopefully they look alright. They're actually the exact same size as the original wheels, so I think they will look quite nice. So yeah, so this is all four wheels. Like I said, like, they're just a little bit rough around the edges, but nothing too major. So yeah, they've all got 4 good tyres. All the hubcaps are there. They all seem quite good, to be honest. Excuse the messy garden. But yeah, I'm really happy with these. Good tyres all the way around. PS4s. 2 with PS4s and 2 with Goodyears. So yeah, it should definitely fly through the MOT. I just want to say a massive thank you for all the positive feedback that I've been getting on these videos recently. As I said, I'm new to YouTube, so every day is a learning day at the minute, and trying to get less awkward behind the camera is just one of those things. But if you can comment, like and subscribe, that would be great. And if there's anything you would like to see done with the Audi TT, then let me know and I'll see what I can do.